Hello everyone, welcome to Solve This Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very unique questions pertaining to quantitative aptitude section. So the question that we have here in this particular video is of logarithm. Okay, so log based question we have. So these are one of the most favorite topics as far as your competitive examinations are concerned, the QA section is concerned. And many exams like GMAT, your GRE and also CAT, SNAP, IFT. So this sort of questions are quite frequently asked. So what we'll be doing is we have come up with a very interesting question for you so that it can give you a clear insights how to go ahead and solve this kind of question. So this question is of concepts of log and but also involves a few concepts of quadratic equations as well. Okay, so it's a very one of a kind question of its own, a very unique kind of question. So let's try and solve the same. Find the sum of the roots of the equation log 2x square minus log 5 root under log base 2x square plus 6. Okay, so here let me write the equation. So log 2x square minus 5 root under log base 2x square plus 6. Okay, so we have to find the sum of the roots of the equation. So let me do one thing. Let log base 2x equal to a. Okay, so this I can write as a square minus minus 5 a square plus 6. Okay, I can write this as. Now try and understand something. Suppose we have root under a square. This can be written as, let me not use a, let me use say x square. So this can be written as mod x. Why? Take this example. Suppose we have 16. Okay, 16 can be plus minus 4. Okay, so that is we only require the absolute value of 4. So it can be either positive or either negative. So that's why we can write this as x square minus 5 absolute value of a plus 6. Okay, now we will have two conditions in this regards. Okay, first condition, if a is greater than suppose first condition that I'll be taking here when a is greater than 0. So if a is greater than 0, then a square minus 5a plus 6 equal to 0. I can write this. So here I can write a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6 equal to 0, or a minus 3 a minus 2 equal to 0, or a equal to 3 and 2. Okay, so this is one value of a. So now if a is equal to 2, okay, let me do all this later on. Okay, first let me find out all the values of it. And another one, if a less than 0, then we have a square minus 5a plus 6 plus 5a, sorry, because a is negative, right? 0, so this will be a square plus 2a plus 3a plus 6 equal to 0, a plus 2 a plus 3 0, or a equal to minus 2 or minus 3. Okay, so now if a is equal to 2, so therefore log 2x equal to 2. Okay, log base 2x equal to 2, therefore this x has to be 2 square. Okay, this x has to be 2 square, because if log x is 2 square, that means the answer would come out to be 2. So therefore in this regards x is equal to 2, or no, 2 square, that is 4. Okay, if a is equal to 3, therefore log base 2x will be 3, or x will be this has to be 2 cube, or x has to be 8. Okay, if a is equal to minus 2, so therefore log base 2x has to be minus 2. That is, this has to be 2, minus means 1 by, so 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. So therefore x has to be 1 by 4. And similarly, if a is equal to minus 3, therefore log base 2x equal to minus 3, or x equal to minus 1 by 8. Oh sorry, not minus 1 by 8, because log you cannot have minus, so 1 by 8. Okay, so these are our values. Now we need to find the sum of all the roots. So 4 plus 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So let me write this here in this part. Okay, 4 plus 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Okay, so we have 8 over here. So 32 plus 64 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so 96, 99 by 8. This will be our right answer. Okay, option A. So I hope this question is clear to you, as in how we came about with the solution of the same. So in case if you have any doubt, please go through the entire thing. I think you should have a plenty of idea and try to solve this question on your own. Okay, that should give you a plenty of insight as to how we can go about with the approach of the same. Try and solve this question on your own, keeping all the references, and keep the video as a reference. That should be more than enough in this regards. Okay. Now, having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution on the similar sort of questions further down the line, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay. So any doubt you have with respect to any particular section on which you might need your guidance or questions with, say QA section, the LRDI or the BA section, will be more than happy to help you out. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.